Let's make baked oatmeal with peanut butter and jelly. Start by placing 3 cups of old-fashioned oats in a 13 by 9 baking dish along with salt, and set that aside. Now it's time to heat 2 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of maple extract, 1 egg, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk that all together until it's nice and combined. Pour the peanut butter and milk mixture over the oats in the casserole dish and give it all a good stir. Now it's time to top the oatmeal with plenty of fresh blueberries. Bake it in a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes, and it's time to eat. It's so delicious, especially when served with some heavy cream. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.